Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Public Cloud Design Tips and Tricks. In this channel, we are going to discuss about public cloud design problem statement and their related solution. So today's Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Public Cloud Design Tips and Tricks. In this channel, we generally discuss about public cloud design problem statements and their related solution. Today, we are going to discuss about Google Cloud Run for Anthos. So the problem statement is how to realize containerized app and microservices in a serverless platform, or how to implement Kubernetes based application in public cloud without having the Kubernetes knowledge. This is the most challenging problem statement because most of the enterprise are really struggling to find out the Kubernetes related knowledgeable resources for their organization. So cloud platforms or vendors has come up with the solution where you do not need to have the Kubernetes knowledge to run your application or to run the Kubernetes related infrastructure without having the Kubernetes knowledge. That's where the solution which has been provided by Microsoft Azure is Azure Container Apps. AWS has provided AWS Fargate. Google Cloud has provided Google Cloud Run. So what is Google Cloud Run? So it is a kind of technology which will help you to develop and deploy highly scalable containerized application using your favorite languages like Go, Python, Java on a fully managed serverless platform. That means if you hire a Java developer, he doesn't need to understand the platform or completely the platform with respect to Kubernetes or containerization. He just have to spin up the infrastructure with providing the basic information, and he has to write the piece of code with which he can just spin up the infrastructure and he can run it. That is the power of Cloud Run. Second, GCP Cloud Run is also available as a fully managed serverless platform on Google Cloud without the Kubernetes platform requirements. That means the serverless platform means the pay as you go conditions applied here, and you will realize a Kubernetes platform without having the Kubernetes knowledge. The supports of integration with GCP Anthos for hybrid and multi-cloud strategy is also it's one of the second capabilities I can say. We will deep dive into that Anthos capabilities with Cloud Run in the next slide. Then what are all different key features that you will get? The first is it supports pay per usage model. That means the amount of service that you are going to consume, the amount of you are going to pay for that particular amount. It is one of the strongest PaaS capabilities. That means platform as a service capabilities, where your responsibility is more on the write down your development code rather than understanding how behind the scene the platform is taking care of all other activities like patching, maintenance and everything. It leverages the container workflow and standards like build, code, registry and deploy. So all these capabilities can be leveraged by the Cloud Run service. It is a per instance concurrency it supports. That means you can have 1,000 requests per instance max for handling the number of requests. It integrated with secret manager. That means if you want to store some secret in a safe location, then it also has been integrated with Google Secret Manager, where you can keep the secrets and credential and you can realize in your Cloud Run service. It also integrated with logging and monitoring solutions of Google Cloud native solutions, I can say, with which you can leverage your operational capabilities with this service. Then what is Anthos? So Anthos is one of the beautiful or the best service about Google that I like the most, I can say. Anthos is the Google's new managed application platform which lets you run Kubernetes and other workloads consistently across on-premise data center and multiple other cloud as well. So if you are using Anthos, then you can realize your Kubernetes platform in your on-premise system, in AWS, Azure, in your edge location, wherever you wanted to do, you can do it. So it will give you a hybrid cloud or a hybrid cloud environment where you can run your Kubernetes cluster via Anthos anywhere outside Google platform. So that is the power of Google Anthos. So when the Anthos is getting integrated with Cloud Run, that means you will first and foremost capabilities that you are getting is Kubernetes. That means you can leverage your Kubernetes and serverless together using Cloud Run for Anthos. and it also a Google managed and supports native developer platform. It is a flexible serverless platform where you can cloud run. For Anthos provides a platform of serverless capabilities for hybrid and multi-cloud environment. As I said, like you can run it in your own data center, and you can use all the cloud capabilities via the Anthos. Then the serverless Kubernetes, where you can use the open source project that enables serverless workloads on your Kubernetes. All the open source, most of the open source projects that you can realize by the Cloud Run for Anthos. So logically, if you think into it, then Cloud Run for Anthos is the realizable solution where you can run a Kubernetes platform in Google Cloud era, where without having the basic Kubernetes knowledge, rather than you have to just focus on your infrastructure and code, and everything will be done for you, like orchestration, everything, I can say. Then the last part is the pricing part, where you are going to talk about the payment model, where you have to pay per users payment model with an always free tier options. So prices is per CPU, memory and request. So everything is going to be summed up, and then the final result or final bill will be generated. In always free, you will get 180,000 vCPU seconds per month, whereas 360,000 GIB seconds per month, as well as memory, and per request is 2 million requests per month is is available. Whereas with pricing tier of price, you can find it out with 0.40 per million request per month. So that is the two tier of pricing which is available with Google Cloud Run with Anthos. If you want to know more about it, then yeah, just visit the Google Cloud documents. You'll find a lot of information about it, and yeah, if you are really looking for a solution where you want to leverage the container capabilities without having the Kubernetes knowledge in your organization, then just go ahead and try it out. It has a lot of capabilities, I can say. Thank you. If you like the video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and share it with your friends. Thanks a lot for watching, and good